Lo msolwa utshele inkantolo ukuthi uyawaphika wonke amacala abhekene nawo.
For the record, I am pleading innocent, not guilty, and I would be stating, obvious reasons why I'm pleading innocent in this matter.
UNimrod uchazela inkantolo eMantshee Roodepoort ukuthi uyayivela phi le nkulumo eqoshwe ngomakhalekhukhwini okuthiwa wayithumelela abantu ethi akuhlaselwe izinqanqathela zezitolo.
One of my councillor candidates for the Rand West region, Yuna Dixon.
Uthi wazama ukubuza amaphoyisa ezombopha ukuthi ukhalelwa ngamasongo kaSigonyela nje wenzeni zayima emthumeni kwezengalo yomthetho.
On numerous attempts, I've asked them what this incident was all about, and I said to them there is a mistake, there is a misunderstanding, and I asked them what is the arrest for, why are they arresting me? And they just continued saying that you know what you have done, and you are the criminal, you are the master kingpin, and you are the looter, arrested. So none of them elaborated or clearly stated why I was being arrested or why I was being detained.
Lo msolwa waboshwa ngesonto eledlule boshelwa ukususa uthuthuva agcinwe ezidokisini njengoba evela nje namhlanje kule nkantolo. Kuthiwa washaya ucingo ngevideo enqenqa amalungu ophiko lwentsha iANC kanye nophiko lwabesifazane eqenjini elibusayo ethi akuhlaselwe inqanqathela zezitolo kanye nakwamanye amabhizinisi. Kuthiwa wathi akungahlaselwa izikole kanye nezikhungo zezempilo kodwa agxilwe ezinqanqatheleni zezitolo kutatshwe. NginguCalvin Dludla wezindaba zeSABC ngibika ngiseGoli.